Hey there, it's Ginger Luttrell, founder of SunSource, the official community for enterprise super users. And I have a lot of great information to share with you. I have been working with super user leaders, and super user networks for over 2 decades now, and have created a whole framework around how to do this and how to do it right. So I'm ready to start sharing that with you. So I created a 30-minute free training video just for you. And that free training video is going to share some insights into how do you set up a super user network for long-term sustainability and high value. Look, in my experience, most companies struggle with how do you keep your super users together after projects end, and not only keep them together, but performing and so much more. There's so much missing value if you don't keep them together. So I'm ready to share all that with you. So click on the link below. That'll take you to this free 30-minute training. I know you're going to enjoy it. And if you have any questions and want more information, that's available for you too. So go click on the link, listen to that video, give me some feedback, ask me some questions. I would love that. And until then, go be super.